So guys, good morning. It's not tough today because you are having Helen. I love Helen because Helen, she's fair. I'm not taking sides, but she's fair according to how I always see her results. So let's start here. As I've showed you that the banker is 14 and 15. Banker 14, 15. You know, sometimes you can play these singles as 14, 15 because sometimes I don't know what these guys do, but I see that they are taking from the courts, from these courts. Sometimes they don't even have to add. They just take the numbers as they are. And with your bonuses is 8, 27, 43, 46. So which is correct. So let's start breaking the court. I know it's a long journey to break the courts, but we don't have a choice. So if we say 1 plus 44 is 45. 1 minus that is 43. So do you see that 43 is there at the bonus ball? Maybe there's another number that we must say 45, 43 bonus, 45, and then 8 bonus, or 45, 15, then you put 8 as your bonus. You must always try to be creative like this. If you have a chord, you just be creative like that. 20 lines, you try. They're going to learn, trust me. Okay, so we go to 145 again, the second chord, which if you minus, if you add, actually it gives you a 46, which is there as a bonus ball. If you subtract, it gives you a 44. So according to me now, I see that there's 14, 44, 45, and then I'm going to skip 46 and put an 8 there as my bonus because I prefer 8. Then there's 14, 45, 15, then maybe 8. This one we make it as a 4 number, not like as a 2 plus a 3 plus bonus, but as a 4 number straight, because people need money here. They need money, they need to cover problems. So I'm going to post as 4 or 3 numbers plus bonus. We try. I know that someone can make it from here. Okay, so with our sister Helen in a chord like this, 4, 15, she loves to do that. 14, 15, 4. Think about that as well. You have a picture of your results with the chord, then you're gonna see what I mean. Then we go here and say this chord we actually did do it yesterday, but they did not work it out. So which means if I can break that kind of chord, I'll say 1 minus 5 it gives me a 4, then it will give me a 40. So I can either way say let me see, 5, 10, 40 from that chord. Because if I subtract that chord, sometimes you know what they do? They take this chord 150, then they subtract like 50 minus 1. It gives them a 49, straight 49. So you can say now 15, 49, and then let's take another banker 45. 15, 46, 45. Then you put your bonus as an 8. It's a sketch. Okay, so because the last chord, check this thing which is happening here. 149. If you say 1 plus that, it gives us a 50. So it's taking us back now to chord 150, which means I'm correct when I say 1449. 100% correct if I'm saying 1449 or 1549. Do you see that? Okay, now we're going to move on to the home figures. I just want to show you guys the home figures again. Always do this in a daily basis, the home figures. It's very important. If you check yesterday, those home figures, they gave us the numbers. Because home figures, normally, it's high and low numbers. So, for example, we're going to check here. Today, banker, guys, is 8. If I say a number is a banker, show number 8. I'm going to show you something about that. Okay, the home figure of, let me say, the home figure of 3 is always a 12. Which is also what, a 21. Home figure of 11 is a 2. Home figure of 13 is a 4. Home figure of 21 is a 3. So between 21 and 3, there's another number that must repeat between those two. I'm trying to teach you how the numbers are repeating. 46, the home figure of 46 is a 10. Home figure of 48, that is a 12. So this number 12, 21 is coming somewhere around. The home figure of 7 is a 20, it's how much? It's 25. 25 did drop, I think, somewhere behind. Okay, so with the home figures, it's just to guide you about the numbers that are going to repeat. Do you see that? So let's go back and put our banker, our sure banker as an 8. Banker 8. I love it when I get the banker 8. I even illustrate 100 rand. Put it as 100 rand. Some people, they want to play singles. So I'm just trying to cover each and every one here. So yeah, guys, this is what it is. I'll see you later on with Twitter. Just come and purchase yourself a book. Thank you very much. You'll see the link in the first comment of the video.